Ever typed a prompt and wondered how AI makes art? It starts with text, but AI doesn't read words like we do. It breaks words down into tokens, sort of like sorting puzzle pieces. A text encoder then translates these pieces into a secret machine language. But the image starts as pure, random static. Complete chaos. This is the latent space where the AI looks for patterns. Enter the UNet, the engine that removes the static step by step. It asks, how do I make this noise look more like the prompt? The AI uses its vast training data to guide the process. It doesn't happen all at once. It happens in steps. With each step, it subtracts noise and adds detail. The shapes become clearer. The colors fill in. It's like sculpting a statue out of a block of random pixels. The AI constantly checks back with your original text prompt. This is called guidance. It keeps the AI from drifting off topic. Without it, you might ask for a dog and get a very weird cat. As we reach the final steps, the magic really happens. The noise is gone. The image is generated. From pure random static to a masterpiece, all driven by math. Finally, the VAE decoder turns it back into normal pixels. And there it is, ready to view, share, or edit. Every time you type a prompt, this millions of calculations dance happens. Diffusion models like this have revolutionized creativity. They empower anyone to turn imagination into reality. No need for messy paints or years of technique. Just words, math, and a little bit of computational magic. The possibilities are literally endless. So, what are you going to create today? Start typing and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching.